going to introduce my new game, Super Leyandra! Super Leyandra is a new game available on AppStore and Google Play. In this game, you can control me and my friends and help us to escape from our enemies. Let's start running! Alright, let's start the game. It's really fun. So let's get started. I'm going to press play, which is down there. Alright guys, we need to swipe right and left to move, scroll up to jump, down to roll over and hit the enemy. And then I got a letter, which is for bear. You can also complete the words to get extra coins. Down, and then I got a magnet. This is a magnet. Okay, jump. It changed. Okay, then slide down, up, and I got a letter and I completed the whole word and I got 1,000 coins. Yes. I lost. How about I get a character? How about I buy Super Leyandra? Okay, press yes. Yes, I got it! Okay, I'm gonna play it again with a new character. Jump up! Down, down. Oh, I got another fruit. You can collect the fruits and use them to continue the game after being hit without losing your score. I got a magnet again. Get all the coins. The magnet is gone, so we have to get the coins all by ourselves. Down. Camel. Down! I lost again. Are you ready guys to join us? You can download it from the links in the description. Thank you for watching guys. If you like my video, make sure to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!